Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dell Latitude 9330 Premium 2-in-1 laptop. So friend, Dell has unveiled the 13.3-inch Premium 2-in-1 notebook PC Latitude 9330 with 360-degree rotating hinge. And friend, the CPU is an Intel Core processor from 12th generation with its collaborative touchpad for easy access to microphones, cameras, screen settings, mute operations and other features. And friend, it also offers features like express charge, which can charge up to 80% in 1 hour only, and friend, AI function, intelligent audio, which increases call quality, proximity detaching function, express sign in. And friend, the platinum model for example has a core i7 1260U CPU, LPDDR5 5200, 16GB memory, 512GB M.2 SSD storage, and LCD resolution of 2560 x 1440 pixels. And the interface has a universal audio jack, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-C jack, Thunderbolt 4. And friend, the primary body dimensions are 296.35 mm by 208.39 mm deep, 830 to 14.12 mm thick, and the minimal weight is 1.27 kg. And friend, the operating system is pre-installed at Windows 11 Pro. And if I talk about pricing, it is yours for $2,999 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.